Today, we're diving into the MPD Digital USA made for enthusiasts. This coaxial cable is meticulously crafted in the USA by FCC licensed ham radio operators, ensuring top-notch quality and performance. With dual shielded RG, 8U construction and soldered silver UHF-PL 259 connectors, it's designed to minimize signal loss and maximize efficiency in high-frequency radio applications. The outer jacket, made from flexible UV-proof frappe, not only enhances durability, but also aids in maintaining signal integrity over long distances. Its foam dielectric further enhances flexibility without compromising on shielding effectiveness. Tested to ensure a VSWR voltage standing wave ratio of less than 1 minute and 1.35 seconds using advanced equipment like the Birdside Hawk SK 4000. This cable promises reliable performance in diverse operating conditions. Whether you're setting up a ham radio station, a GMRS repeater, or any other high-frequency transmission system, the MPD Digital RG 8U cable is a solid choice. Its low-loss characteristics and improved shielding make it suitable for various demanding environments where signal quality is paramount. Backed by a 1-year exchange warranty, it offers peace of mind against defects that if you're serious about optimizing your radio communication setup, consider investing in the MPD Digital USA made ham CB radio GMRS repeater transmission cable. It's built for enthusiasts by enthusiasts, delivering the performance and reliability you need for seamless radio transmission.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.